Good morning everyone. This is Ayushi. Let's continue our English class for class 7th. So students, after completing our chapter homophones and homonyms, now today we are going to start a new grammar topic, that is articles. So we will learn what are articles, different types of articles and so on. So without further ado, let's get started. Yes students, before starting today's class, first of all we are going to tell you the answers of previous homework. In that I gave you fill in the blank with the correct words. The first one, I was offered a dash of cake. Definitely here we are talking about, that is piece. Piece means like suppose we can say a whole cake you have but you want only one. So for that one, what do we call it? Piece. The spelling will be Piece. Okay, and what is the meaning of this one piece? That is calm down. Okay, that is Peace, peace. Okay, like suppose you are calm, you are going to calm yourself. Okay, that is peace. So here we want Piece. Next one, I hope I don't dash you with my tail. So boredom feeling. So boredom feeling, for that we have spelling Bore. Okay, if you want to become a professional pianist, you must dash very hard. Now see, only one letter difference is given, Practice and Se. Both have the same meaning, but the difference is this practice, Ce, the first one, this is our noun. Okay, like simple, practice makes a man perfect. So here practice I am using as a noun. Whenever you are going to use noun, so in that condition you have to say practice C option. Okay, C1. But here we are using with model, must is given model, with this we are using, so here we want verb. Because of this we are going to use the letter one, practice, Practise. Okay, so I hope you have understood. This crime novel is about a serial killer. This serial one means serious one. Okay, and the second one cereal like flakes, sort of cornflakes and all. Okay, generally we eat for the breakfast. So this one cereal, that the cereal seriousness we are showing over here. Okay, you need 200 grams of flour, make the cake. So simple one, flour, that we know very well, this is flour. Okay, flour and flour, so that is flour. We know very well, for making the cake we don't need 200 gram of flour. Okay, so the second one option we have flour. Yes, so the next one, that is there is dash and harmony in the kingdom. So here peace and harmony. Now we are not talking about one thing. Okay, so here peace means calm down, calmness, that is peace and harmony in the kingdom. May his soul rest in peace. This soul one, that is soul means your spirit they are talking about, and the soul one means loneliness. Okay, means you are alone. So here may his soul, Soul, rest in peace. Next one, they booked a special suite for the president. Now here definitely not for the sweets we are talking about. This suite is an adjective. Okay, but here we want a noun, that is suite, Suite means a room, a special room we can say. So that is special suite for the president. Fine. Now today as we are going to start articles. So what is an article? Basically articles are either definite or indefinite. Mainly this you have read earlier also. We have two kinds of article. The first one definite one and the second one indefinite one. They combine to a noun to indicate the type of reference being made by the noun. Means what does it mean? Simple, when these articles sometimes they help you even for the number sense. Like I have a pen means I have one pen. Okay, she has an umbrella. So an umbrella means she has one umbrella. Generally they indicate the type of reference, and type like a pen, an umbrella. These two are the very common one, because of that we have used A and N. I saw the Taj Mahal. The is particularly showing, that is this is a very important thing that I saw. Okay, so they just reference the type of a noun, which kind of noun it is important or not so important, and so on. Okay, so we have two types, definite article, that is the, and indefinite article, A and N. Generally student, whenever someone asks to you that how many types of articles are there, you always have to say we have two types. Okay, definite and indefinite, not the three one, because three we have subpart like definite, the, indefinite, a or n. Okay, now see types of articles as I told you, that is definite and indefinite, or we can say an article is a word that modifies or describes a noun as I told you earlier. It is used before the noun to show whether it refers to something specific or not. As I told you, a pen, an umbrella, the Taj Mahal. So by these articles we came to know that which one is more important, which one is very genuine or a common one. Okay, two types, definite, the, and indefinite, a and n. So only two types we have, not three. Okay, the next one, indefinite articles, we are going to do it today. So as we have two types, a or n, a or n is used to talk about things are not things which are not particular. So it means not particular, simple, the very common one. Usually these are things that haven't been mentioned before or that the listener is unfamiliar with. Unfamiliar like we don't know about that. Okay, so rules 1, we are going to use how to use them. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Now the confusion is with the consonant. What are the consonant one? Now see, I am here not before the consonant letter. I am saying consonant sound. Okay, make sure sound. Consonant letters in the English alphabets are, now means which kind of sound you should know. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Means whenever you are finding these sounds, okay, B sound. So these sounds whenever you are getting, before that you have to use a article. Okay, like a boy, a cat, a dog, a fight, a gym, a horse, a joke, a kite, a lion, a mirror. Okay, fine. So I think you have understood. Now the opposite one, that is an, and we are going to use before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Okay, vowel sound, vowel letters, how many vowels are there? We have 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. So whenever we are getting the sound of these A, E, I, O, U, like an apple, an elephant, an idiot, an orange, an umbrella, an hour, H, O, U, R. Now see, an hour starting with H, but sound is A. Okay, sound is A, that is vowel sound. Okay, because of this I have used an hour. Okay, so always you have to go through it sound. Fine, vowels, 5 vowels are there, remaining, as we know, we have 26 letters, so 5 vowels, 21 consonants are there. Okay, so whenever you are getting the consonant sound, you have to use a, and the vowel sound we have to use n. Fine. Now see, this is the difference. What is the difference here? Same, a and n have the same meaning, and a and n are indefinite articles. The difference depends on the sound at the beginning of the next word. A, consonant sound, and n, vowel sound. Okay, it's a very important thing that you should know. A book, a car, a dog, a frog, a lemon, a truck, an apple, an egg, an insect, an orange, an umbrella, an actor. Okay, so like you can see sound. Okay, be careful, sometime what happened, the sound of the letter is important. A house, her sound is there, H, that is consonant one. An uncle, a sound is there, that's why this is N, we have used here vowel sound. But see, an hour, a sound is there, okay, and this H is silent, so hour only we are going to use a, so that is N we are going to use. Now see, U is our vowel letter, but see the sound, a university, U sound we are getting, like U, Y-O-U, this kind of sound we are getting. Okay, that's why this is our, here we are going to use a university. Okay, so always not go through the letters, you have to go through the sounds. Fine. This rule applies to all words after a or n, including adjectives and adverbs also, like see, a cold day, a very crazy person. Now you will not say, ma'am, day is a noun, so according to day we are going to put a or an article. No, You have to see whatever, generally we put articles after before adjectives also. Okay, so here a cold day. So according to C we are going to put a very, ver, that is consonant. Because of this we have used a. An easy lesson, E, that is vowel. That's why N. An interesting class, again vowel. That's why N. I think you have understood. N before vowel sound, A before consonant sound. 5 vowels, 21 consonant. Okay. Now this is a classwork. First of all you have to write down the definition. Then as we have different types, 2 types only, definite articles the and indefinite articles a or n. Okay. Now this is your exercise. Complete the sentences using a or n, as we have done only indefinite. So only these 2 you have to fill. My sister has 2 colleagues in her team. One is dash American. Now just see this spelling here, pronunciation a. American, a sound is there, means vowel sound. That's why an American, while the other is a European. Now see, letter is E, but sound European, U. So U, Y-O-U again. So that's why this is our consonant sound. Okay, we are going to use a European. Next one, my brother studies in a university. This we have done in the example also. University, again U sound. So a university. He recently got an excellent, a sound. That's why an excellent internship offer to work in a well-known, ver. So ver again consonant, well-known company abroad. Shall we watch a film tonight? Fur sound, fur again consonant, film, a film. There is adventure, a, adventure, vowel sound. That's why an adventure film. Do not hesitate to make a call, k sound. That's why consonant, a call if there is an adventure, that has repeated here. Next one, the house was in such a mess. So such a mess, ma sound. That's why a mess, that it took me an entire day. Again a sound. That's why an entire day. Okay. Next one, what do you prefer? An orange, o sound. That's why o sound, n. Or a banana, banana, b sound. That's why consonant, a banana. There is a piece of cake, 2. Okay. And don't forget, we all have a or n, both have meaning 1. Okay, in number 1. You may win an argument, argument, a sound, n, but lose a friend, f sound. That's why a friend. Okay. There was a lot of traffic, la sound. That's why a. It took us nearly an hour, h consonant, but sound is hour, a sound. That's why an hour and a half to reach the place. Fine. So I think you have understood. Now this is your homework. Same. You have to complete the sentences using a or n. Put a cross where an article is not necessary. Means, as I told you, both have meaning 1. But always you cannot put these 2 articles. Why? Because let's see here, after doing the exercise, although he is dash famous writer, Mr. Mehta is dash humble man. She has dash appointment with the doctor, but he is busy with dash emergency case, so she will be late to office by dash few hours. I have dash uncle who loves to travel by dash train. He can never take dash flights because he gets dash earache. There was dash cyclone last night. The train met with dash accident. You look sad. Is there dash problem? Do you need dash help? Yesterday I had dash funny experience. I went to dash store. I needed to buy dash few things. Okay. So wherever you feel like that you are not required anything to put cross. Otherwise put a or n. Fine. The film won dash award, but I don't understand how. It was dash extremely silly film. Thank you.